Have you ever finished cleaning only to notice pet hair still stuck in the carpet, dust hiding along the edges, and crumbs somehow appearing again moments later? The truth is, the wrong vacuum can turn cleaning into a never-ending battle. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best Bissell vacuum cleaners that can make everyday cleaning easier, faster, and far less frustrating. Now let's move to number 5. We have the Bissell 2252. Living with pets is amazing until their fur seems to become part of the furniture, the carpet, and practically every corner of your home. That's exactly where the Bissell 2252 earns its place among the top Bissell vacuum cleaners. Built for real households dealing with pet hair, dust, and stubborn everyday messes. This vacuum focuses on practical cleaning performance rather than flashy promises. The swivel steering makes navigating around furniture feel smooth and controlled, helping you reach tight spaces without constantly stopping and repositioning. Once the triple action brush roll gets to work, it helps loosen embedded dirt and pet hair hiding deep within carpet fibers, while edge-to-edge suction reaches along walls and corners where debris often accumulates unnoticed. Hard floor users will also appreciate the scatter-free technology, which helps prevent debris from being pushed across the room during cleaning. Compared with lighter alternatives, it may feel slightly heavier when carrying it upstairs, but what it gives back is a dependable balance of power, pet-focused tools, and everyday reliability. Adding even more value, every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, making this a practical choice for busy households that want a cleaner home without overcomplicating the cleaning process. Coming up next at number 4 is the Bissell 3437F. Sometimes the biggest surprise isn't what you can see on the carpet, but what gets pulled out once the vacuum starts working. And that's exactly why the Bissell 3437F continues to be a favorite among homeowners looking for strong performance in a lightweight package. Weighing under 10 pounds. This vacuum feels remarkably easy to move throughout the house, whether you're cleaning bedrooms, hallways, apartments, or multiple floors. Despite its lighter frame, it delivers full-size suction performance that tackles everyday dirt and pet hair without feeling underpowered. The scatter-free multi-surface cleaning system helps maintain effective cleaning across different floor types, while the quick-release wand extends your reach to curtains, furniture, shelves, and hard-to-access corners that often collect dust over time. The easy empty tank keeps maintenance quick and simple, reducing the hassle that usually comes after vacuuming. Compared with the others, the 3437F feels lighter and easier to maneuver throughout the home, though it gives up a bit of the heavier, deep carpet cleaning presence found in larger models. For apartment dwellers, small families, and anyone who values portability without sacrificing performance, this vacuum delivers a satisfying balance while also supporting homeless pets through the Bissell Pet Foundation with every purchase. Let's keep the momentum going. At number 3, we have the Bissell 3534. Few things are more frustrating than vacuuming a room only to feel like the mess never completely disappeared. And that's exactly the problem the Bissell 3534 was designed to address. Built for busy homes where pet hair, dust, and crumbs seem to appear endlessly. This vacuum focuses on delivering consistent cleaning performance without making the process feel like a chore. Its one-pass cleaning technology works to lift embedded dirt efficiently while maintaining strong suction across both carpets and hard floors, helping reduce the need for repeated passes over the same area. The scatter-free multi-surface system helps prevent debris from being pushed around on hard flooring, creating a cleaner and more satisfying result. Pet owners will especially appreciate the included turbo brush and extension wand for tackling stairs, upholstery, and furniture where hair often collects. One feature that quietly improves the overall experience is the automatic cord rewind, eliminating the hassle of manually wrapping long cords after every cleaning session. While the vacuum is not the lightest option available and may feel a bit heavier during extended use, It rewards users with dependable performance and excellent versatility. Compared with the other, it often feels more refined in reach and control, making it an ideal choice for households seeking reliable results day after day. Before we move into our top 2 picks, if you'd like to check current prices and availability, you'll find all the links conveniently listed in the description below. Breaking into the top 2, the Bissell CleanView takes the number 2 position. Many vacuum cleaners look impressive on paper, but the real test begins when they enter a busy household filled with pets, children, daily foot traffic, and constant messes. And that's where the Bissell CleanView truly shines. Ranked among the best Bissell vacuum cleaners available today, this updated 2024 model feels built around the realities of everyday life. The active extension wand helps you reach awkward spaces without turning a quick cleanup into a frustrating project, while the swivel steering system glides smoothly around furniture, tables, and tight corners with impressive control. The feature that often makes the biggest difference for pet owners is the triple action brush roll, which works through carpets and area rugs to lift stubborn dirt and embedded pet hair that many ordinary vacuums leave behind. Hard floor users benefit from scatter-free technology, helping capture debris instead of pushing it across the room and creating additional cleanup. Families with pets, busy parents, and homeowners dealing with constant daily messes will appreciate the strong balance of convenience and cleaning performance this vacuum provides. Compared with many lightweight stick vacuums, it offers noticeably stronger deep cleaning capability, although it can require slightly more storage space due to its larger design. Adding even more meaning to every cleanup session, each purchase also helps support the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help homeless pets. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list, we have the Bissell 2998. Some vacuums simply clean floors, while others completely transform the way you approach household cleaning, and the Bissell 2998 multi-clean allergen lift off pet vacuum firmly belongs in the second category. For pet owners constantly battling fur, covered carpets, dusty stairs, and hidden allergens, this vacuum delivers a level of versatility that immediately stands out. Its detachable lift-off pod allows you to separate the cleaning unit from the upright base, making it significantly easier to clean stairs, upholstery, furniture, and difficult-to-reach spaces throughout the home. The HEPA-sealed system helps trap fine dust and allergens inside the vacuum, contributing to a cleaner environment beyond what is immediately visible on the floor. LED headlights reveal debris hiding underneath furniture and in darker corners that often go unnoticed, while the tangle-free brush roll helps manage pet hair without requiring constant maintenance or brush cleaning. Compared with the others, the 2998 feels more versatile across multiple floor types and cleaning situations, although it can feel slightly bulkier when used in upright mode. Whether you're handling quick daily pickups or performing a complete weekend deep clean, this vacuum consistently delivers the cleaning power, convenience, and flexibility that busy households demand, earning its place as the strongest overall option in this lineup. Standing at number 1, the Bissell 2998 earns the win because it delivers the strongest overall combination of cleaning power, pet hair performance, versatility, allergen control, and everyday convenience. While the Bissell CleanView 3534, 3437F, and 2252 each offer valuable strengths for different households, the 2998 provides the most complete cleaning experience for multi-surface homes, especially for pet owners and busy families who need dependable results every time they vacuum. If you'd like to learn more about any of these models or check current pricing, you'll find all the links down in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews coming soon. Because a cleaner home isn't just about appearance, it's about making everyday life easier.